What are phytoliths and how do archaeologists use them? Imagine tiny glass-like particles hidden in ancient soils, holding clues about plants long gone. These microscopic mineral particles are called phytoliths. They are made mostly of silica, which is a common compound in sand and quartz. Plants absorb dissolved silica from the ground through their roots. This silica then deposits inside their cells, especially in leaves, stems, roots, and reproductive parts. Over time, when plants decay or burn, these silica bodies stay behind in the soil. Because they are inorganic and resistant to decay, phytoliths can last thousands of years underground. Their shapes are often unique to different plant groups, kind of like a fingerprint. Some phytoliths look like tiny leaves, grasses, or even parts of grains. This makes them very useful for identifying what kinds of plants were around in the past, even if the actual plant parts are gone. Archaeologists analyze phytoliths by carefully extracting them from soil samples taken from archaeological sites. They use microscopes to examine the shapes and sizes of these tiny particles. Different plant species produce phytoliths with specific shapes, so scientists can tell if ancient people were collecting wild plants, cultivating crops, or using certain trees. For example, the presence of grass-shaped phytoliths might show that open grasslands or pastures existed at a site. If phytoliths from domesticated rice or maize are found, it can indicate early farming activities. This helps researchers understand how humans interacted with their environment and what plants they relied on. Phytolith analysis is especially helpful because it can reveal plant remains even when other evidence, like seeds or wood, has disappeared. Soil conditions like high pH or calcium content can affect phytolith preservation, but generally, they survive well in many environments. By studying these tiny particles, archaeologists can reconstruct ancient landscapes and see how plant use changed over time. This can tell us about climate shifts, land management, or the development of agriculture. Overall, phytoliths are a powerful tool in archaeological science, helping us piece together the story of human-plant relationships across history.